you stuck between 1 and 10K views and can never break out? That was me until I made this one simple shift. I've taught this method to countless people and get success stories every single week. In this video, you'll get the exact step-by-step formula I use to grow my business, hit 1.1 million views, and grow to 6.6K followers in a matter of weeks. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you have to understand is that doing more does not equal more success. Just like you, I was making the biggest mistake in the game. I was trying to change the effect, low views, by changing the effect, my posting strategy, not understanding that in order to manipulate reality, I had to change the cause, which is my mind. So the first problem I had to recognize was I realized my success wasn't about hustle. It was about state of being. I needed to stop focusing on the outside. So this is the first step I used to tackle that problem. Get crystal clear on what you want. If you go to a giant warehouse, which is the universe in this case, and just say, I want more views, the universe or the warehouse might send you one extra view. That's more, but not what you wanted. Manifestation requires crystal clear clarity. I needed a unique product code for the reality I wanted. 1 million views by the end of the year. Specificity gives the universe the corresponding frequency required to match that reality. Step 2. Conviction over belief. When I first thought about 1.1 million views, my heart raced. My subconscious mind and ego, which is there to keep me safe, associated that huge number with unworthiness. My mind said that goal is too big. You can't do it. This is where belief alone fails. Belief contains the potential for doubt. To shift reality, you need conviction. I asked myself, on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely am I to hit 1.1 million views the next month? If the answer wasn't 10, then it was too big for my subconscious mind to accept as normal. Now here's the hack. Shrink the miracle. Instead of focusing on the massive goal, I focus on making the next tiny step feel like a 10 certainty. I convinced myself someone with my current stats always gets this level of attention. I began normalizing success until high view counts became normal. Problem 2, the invisible enemy. The internal shift worked, but reality didn't snap into place instantly. This created intense internal conflict. The old pattern fighting the new frequency. The old pattern sounds like, you don't have the views yet. Check your stats again. You're going to fail. These are thoughts that reflected wanting, scarcity, and lack. The more important the 1 million view goal was to me, the further it ran away. To the universe, importance is interpreted as energetic space. If I desperately needed the views to feel happy or worthy, I was stuck in a dependency loop. Your desired results will sprint away when chased. The core issue was that I was attempting to see growth outside before I gave myself growth internally. Here's the solution. I needed to sever my emotional dependency on seeing reality change. I had to fully adopt the identity of the person who already had the 1 million views. Step 1, the 10-second scene. The subconscious mind's true language is emotion, not repetition. I needed an intense positive emotional experience, the opposite of fear. I created a simple, short visualization scene, or in this case, a cutscene, that simulated the end result. I would see the 1 million view dashboard and loop this scene again and again and again until I felt this specific emotion of serene confidence, that quiet, calm feeling you have after you've secured the deal. The feeling of having it before you see it is critical. Step 2, frequency maintenance. Praying for prosperity for 1 hour, but dwelling in poverty for 12 hours leads to poverty. I needed consistency over perfection. I treated my new frequency like a jacket. I put on the jacket first thing in the morning to program myself before the world could. To keep the jacket on all day, I picked a single line of thought. I would think thoughts such as getting 1 million views is easy, or I'm the person opportunities chase. I saturated my mind with this thought throughout the day. This conscious saturation made the new reality stick until it became my new identity. Step 3, letting go. To make my goals chase me, I had to be okay with not seeing it immediately. Whenever the scarcity thought crept back in, I simply acknowledged the internal shift and cultivated relaxation. I stated the ultimate release. I'm good with it and I'm good without it. This released the importance and let the desire unfold easily, like a calm boat sailing across calm waters. Now here is the step-by-step formula I use to manifest 1 million views in 2 months. When the internal state matched the external demand, the views became inevitable. Because I set the intention and maintained the frequency, the universe instantly created the bridge of incidents, the series of unseen steps that brought the 1.1 million views into my reality. I achieved the 1 million views in 2 months because my internal state of being, the cause, finally aligned with my desired reality, the effect. Being more equals doing more. Number 1, crystal clear clarity. Define the specific desire, in this case 1 million views. This generates the unique product code, which is your frequency. Your frequency attracts every single thing you experience in your life. Number 2, conviction shift. Test the goal on a 1 to 10 scale. If it's not a 10, shrink the miracle until your subconscious accepts the next step is knowing, or in this case, conviction. Number 3, the identity swap. Going from wanting to having. Consciously cut out all of the thoughts of wanting, such as I need more views, and replace them with the thought of having, such as I knew I get these views easily. Number 4, emotional generation. Use a short, vivid visualization scene, i.e. seeing the view count and feeling serene confidence. Number 5, frequency maintenance. Saturate your mind all day with a single line of thought that reflects your desired reality is already done and happening now in the present moment. Number 6, detachment. Release emotional dependency by accepting I'm good with it and I'm good without it. This reduces the gap of importance, so the views can actually begin to chase you. Number 7, aligned action. Take inspired action that feels right, knowing that action only facilitates your aligned state of being, the being more, into physical reality. By focusing on this internal reality shift, your external view count has no choice but to catch up. If you're somebody who's still having trouble manifesting, grab my 58-page free ebook, then join the community for the exact step-by-step walkthroughs and see results this month. Link in bio.